So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can create a second Apple ID in your iPhone if you have already logged in one. So the simple process is you have to first of all open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, it will be a better practice that if you open up the incognito mode of that browser. Open a new tab and go to Google and search here account.apple.com and hit the search button. And when Apple's official homepage appears up, you have to tap on the sign in button available on this homepage. And when this sign in page appears up, you have to tap on this arrow next to the Apple account option. And when you tap on it, you get an option, create your Apple account. So you gotta hop into that. And after that, it asks for you your first name, the last name, your birthday, the email address, and the password you want to set for your Apple ID, your country and your phone number. And a code or OTP will be sent to you on your phone number via a text message or phone call. And after that, simply type in this CAPTCHA code here and tap on this continue button. And after following all of these on-screen instructions, your Apple account will be ready. And now for signing into your iPhone, you have to go to the settings and tap on your name of the account which is already logged in and scroll through this page, and here you get an option of sign out. And as soon as you press it, it will ask you for your Apple account's password, and after entering it, this Apple account will be logged out and you'll be able to log in a new Apple account that you have just created in this browser. So that's how you create a second Apple account in the same phone. Thank you so much.